Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just received this my parcel. Yeah, I bought it a week ago. So today finally I received. So let's unbox it to see what's inside today. We see what I received. So you can see. Okay. Yeah, the package looks good. Okay, this is BOVA footwear. Okay. Oh wow, very nice pack. Yeah, as you can see. Oh, wow, that's good. This one looks nice. Looks good. It's rubber, cooked rub. It's very good. It's good quality, as you can see. This is nice. This is rubber. Yeah, as you can see, this one is nice. Looks good. Clean. Yeah, this is rubber. So the brand for this one is BOVA. Yeah, so you can contact me if you also want one like this. This is original with metal. Yeah. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe and share. You also leave a comment. This one is nice, looks good, as you can see. Also the package is very nice. Yeah, it's BOVA.